Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be making guessing game part 2. So I made a guessing game in my last video, and it was just easy, just a little bit, just mostly JavaScript. Everything was JavaScript. In this video we're going to be using a little bit of HTML. So we want to start off by creating a button. But before I create the button, I'm going to explain how this works. So at the end of this video, I will be able to click a button. It's going to tell me that welcome to the game, ask me to choose a number. If it's greater or less, it's going to alert it, and basically it. If you don't understand, you will see at the end of the video. Okay, so now let's start coding. Firstly, we need to create a button. Okay, so we're going to create a button, and we're going to name the button click me. Okay, after we name the button click me, we want to make an on click. So if you don't know what that means, this is kind of stuff that are a little bit tricky, so I'm going to explain this on click in the video. I've zoomed in so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so in between the N and the greater arrow sign, you need to press your space bar, and you need to type on, and you might see click it on a ball, on blur and stuff like that, and you will see click here. Or you can just type on click and you can click it, and it gives you on click equals to sign and quotation mark. Okay, so now when we do that, I'm going to explain it. Just let me quickly do something. Okay, so wait. Okay, so now I have started, and it just says unclick, start and stop. So unclick is like when you're clicking, and start is like what it displays. Okay, so I'm going to make it a little bit easier now. So like in JavaScript, this unclick. So in JavaScript, if you call the unclick, like if you call this start, you can, like if you call it and you start coding in the start, when you click it, whatever you've coded in JavaScript will happen here. Whatever you coded in JavaScript will happen as soon as you click the button. I'm talking a lot, but let's just actually get into this. I hope you understand this bit. Is when you're clicking, it's sending a message, and the message in JavaScript is you have to type in on like function on click in code, and whenever you click the button, the code in your JavaScript will run. Okay, you might not understand this, but I've explained it. Let me re-explain it one more time. Unclick is when you're clicking, the start is like a message. If you go to the JavaScript and say function start and start coding in the function start, and you click on the button, whatever you've coded will happen. Okay, now let's get to JavaScript and let's start typing this. Firstly, I want to create a variable. I won't actually create it outside. I'll create it outside. Variable number set number equals to, I want to set the number equals to let's say 20. So after that, when I told you about give me a second, the function and all about calling it, I'm going to start it now. Let's put some going and let's start. So let me quickly type this in. Function. Okay, I'm changing this from start to something different. So you can leave yours the way it is, but I'm just changing it. Okay, Okay, so mine is run code now, and if I say function run code, okay, from here to from zoom in a little bit, from line 2 to line 4 might be a little bit tricky. It's not. It's just make it a function. Okay, it's like so let me define like the function for you. So a function is like sorry, my voice cracked. If a function is like when you first, let's just explain how you make a function. You first name the function, like function hello, function stop. Then you insert a okay, let's start again. So a function, you first name the function, and then like a list of parameters. So you make a list, like there's a list of parameters. So it can be empty. Okay, let me explain what the parameters mean. So the parameters are like this. Wait, give me a second. Or these. These are the parameters. They can be empty and other stuff. So okay, so I've said about the parameters, and it can be empty, and it can be like you can put something in it, and then you put code. So you just type code in this place, you put some code in that place, and in like around the curly braces, like the code is wrapped by the curly braces, and that is how it is. And so I've explained it as best as I can, and now let's get into coding. Okay, so firstly I want to create a variable. Actually, yeah, I want to create a variable, and I want to name the variable user, wait, welcome. I want to name it welcome. And then I put alert, welcome to my game, to my guessing game. And then guessing game part 2. And when I do that, let me quickly just do something. Right, no. Oh, sorry about that. Where's my mouse moving now? Okay, so welcome to my getting game part 2, and then I want to put var. Actually, I don't even need the variable. I want to put prompt. Please input a number from from 1 to 100. Guessing. Okay, so when after I've done that, I want to create an if statement, and I want to put if set number is equals to. Wait, actually I need a variable for that. Variable user input. Variable user input. Okay, so if set numbers equals to user input alert contracts, you got the number Right. Okay. Else if set number is strictly equals to, not set number, if user input is greater than set number alert, your number is greater than the actual number. And I want to put another else if. So this else if is if user input is strictly equals to. So to explain this, from 1 to 100. So this means if user input is equals to nothing, if it's equals to nothing, tell them to input a number. Else alert, your number is number, and so else your number is less than the actual number. And now let's go and open. Oh, I first have to close the server and now reopen this server. Okay, so I've reopened the server and now you can see it. Okay, so this is it. Click me, and if I click it says welcome to my guessing game pot 2. Okay, please input a number from 1 to 100. My set number is what again? Is 24. So if I enter 23, it shows. Wait, pardon. Let's try that again. Did I type 23 or 24? Or is my code wrong? Let's see, 78. Okay. Oh, yes, sorry. I understand why. My bad. So, wait, let me show you this. Okay, so you all can see this. So it's equals to. I need it to be strictly equals to, like strictly equals to. And let me quickly open that. And wait, sorry. Oh, you all can see nothing now. Alright, bet. Give me a second. Sorry. This is bugs. See, I just started using OBS and this is crazy already, bro. Right, sorry, you might be seeing my code for some time. Wait, I can't find it. Oh, okay. Wait, you all can't see what I'm doing right now. Sorry, just change your code before I open this right now. I don't know why it's not opening. I'm gonna open it right now. Just started using OBS and it's crazy. Bro, I can't even find it anymore. code. Give me a second. Oh, okay. So I have closed the browser because it was acting up. I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna reopen it. So now you guys should be able to see it. Just give me a second. Oh, I know this is taking a lot of time. For me, this is annoying. Oh, finally, there we go. Okay. Right, now you guys can see this. That took a lot of stress. Good. So I've put it to strictly equals to. So if I click me, the number I set was, let me see again. It's 24. If I change that to 23, it's going to say your number is less than the actual number. If I click that and change that to 25, number is greater than the actual number. If I click that and I say my number is nothing, and I just press OK, it says please input a number from 1 to 100. You might be thinking, no, that's wrong. You might be thinking that is just showing the actual message, the first actual message. Wait, give me a second. Okay, I did not realize that. Oh my god. Guys, I did not realize that. Oh. Okay, you all can see what I'm doing. So, if I change that to bruh input number. I'm just showing you. Change that back and I click me and I just type OK. Bruh, input a number. So the code actually works. I'm just showing you guys that. Okay, so right, you didn't see that, did you? Okay, so that is basically all for today. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.